I clicked on create, then the sales campaign, same things. Now I'm showing you where we select custom audience and lookalike audience. Okay, manual sales campaign continues. We'll set the campaign name here. Everything else stays the same. We won't change anything. We'll click next from here, click next. Here you name the website, so you know the ad set name, campaign name. I'm just explaining the strategy to you now. All right, scroll down to event purchase. It's always what we have. The budget we set is 33, 35, then scroll down. See here where we added interest under advantage plus audience, there's an option to switch to original audience. Switch to original audience. Now when we add interest, we add it from here, right? Tell me. But when we've added the audience, see here, the custom audience option appears. I'll click there. Now see if the audience I created shows up here or not. Now I've selected add to cart, so it will only show to those who added to cart. Got it? Now what I'll do is add to cart for 120 days so I can keep track. Everything else is the same. Now I'll duplicate this. Now what I'll do in the second one, I'll go and remove the add to cart ones and show it to the purchases ones. I'll name it purchases. This way my custom audience campaign will be tested. Then I'll create a lookalike campaign in which I'll use the 1%, 2%, 3%, 4% ones I made. I'll put them here. And I'll test them separately on my winning creative. Is anyone understanding? Is there any confusion on Facebook? Our scaling has been done.